Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get free Ethereum mining. The website that we'll be using is minerstat, as you can see right here, minerstat.com. But before even signing up to Minerstat, you will need a crypto wallet. Some of the most easiest and safest ones that I can recommend that you can use is Trust Wallet, for example. So you can simply sign up to Trust Wallet. Or you could also visit Exodus. You can also sign up with Exodus, or one of the most popular ones are Binance. After you have created a crypto wallet, you can visit minerstat.com, and once on this website, you're going to simply tap on sign up, and from here you can sign in with your email address. It's quite easy. After you have signed up, you will be redirected to this page right here, and here is the dashboard. And from here you can see the different crypto tokens that are currently trending and that persons are mining, as you can see right here. And once you have done that, you are going to tap on workers from the option in the left hand column, and you are going to be redirected to this page. Just give it a few seconds to load up. From here, you are going to select the hardware that you are using. I will select this one, then tap on continue. After doing that, depending if you are using a Windows device or if you are using a MS-OS device, you will select. So I'm using a Windows device. I'll tap on continue. Then from here, you can create your worker's name. Then you'll tap on add worker. And after you have added the worker, just give it a few seconds. As you can see here, the worker has been added. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to download Minerstat for your device. And here is the access key and also the worker name. And by the way, if you need more information on Minerstat and how to set it up, you could also watch their YouTube tutorial video right here, or if you would prefer to read the tutorial. After downloading Minerstat on your device, you're going to go down to address editor right here, and just give it a few seconds to load up. And here you're going to select wallets, and this is a very important step. And here you're going to add the wallet that I had recommended that you installed earlier. So for example, you can go onto Trust Wallet, and you're going to add your Trust Wallet right here. So you'll simply tap on add, and you're going to enter that information. After you have done that, you're going to tap on worker config from the options in the left hand column. Just give it a few seconds to load up. And once worker config has loaded up, you're going to scroll down until where you see default right here, as there are a few changes that you're going to be making to maximize the amount that you can make. So the first thing that you want to do right here, you're going to tap on the section that says Phoenix right here, and you're going to type in XMR. And you're going to select XMR right there. Then you're going to scroll down, and right where you see pool, you're going to leave that right there, as we want to get some free Ethereum. Then you're going to scroll up, and right where you see default CPU, you're going to tap on that. Then you're going to scroll down, and you're going to select XMR rig right here. After doing that and making the changes, you're going to tap on save changes, as you want to ensure that you have saved the changes. And that's basically it. So now you can simply leave your device, and hopefully it will start mining and you can start making some Ethereum. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.